TechInFive.
Python in practice, master real-world projects in 5 minutes. Join us on a journey to master audio in Python, from recording to playback. Ready to dive into audio manipulation? In this tutorial, we'll explore how to capture and playback audio using Python. Whether you're building a bot, creating a multimedia application, or just exploring audio processing, we'll cover things you need to know in your projects. First, we're diving into the fundamentals of audio recording with Python, using the PyAudio library to capture sound directly from your microphone and save it as a WAV file. Let's break down the process, explaining the key parameters that ensure high-quality audio capture. Before you begin, make sure PyAudio is installed in your environment. If it's not already installed, you can add it using pip. Let's understand the parameters. Format. We use PyAudio's PA-int16, a common audio format that represents audio in 16-bit integer samples. This format offers a good balance between quality and file size. Channels. Here we specify one for mono audio. If you prefer stereo, you could set this to 2. Mono is sufficient for most voice recording needs. Rate. Also known as the sampling rate, 44,100 Hz is the standard for high-quality audio, equivalent to CD audio. It captures a wide range of frequencies suitable for both voice and music. Chunk. This is the number of frames stored in the buffer during each read from the audio stream, set to 1024 here. Smaller chunk sizes result in lower latency, but may increase processing overhead. Within our audio service class, the record method encapsulates the audio recording logic. We start by creating a PyAudio instance, our gateway to managing audio streams. This step sets the stage for everything that follows. At this stage, we're essentially tuning our software to listen through the microphone. This is done by opening what's called an audio stream. We configure the bridge between microphone and our program using settings we decided earlier. The key here is setting the stream to input mode. This tells our program, hey, we're expecting sound to come in through the microphone, so be ready to catch it. It's the start of our audio capture journey, where the microphone is turned on and begins its job of listening. In this block of code, we're setting up a collection named frames to hold our audio snapshots. To start the loop, we calculate how many frames we need to capture to fill the recording duration you've specified. For instance, we divide our rate by the chunk size to find out how many chunks we get per second. Then multiply by the number of seconds to know how many chunks we need to capture in total. We then enter the loop, where we actively listen, capturing audio in real time. Within each cycle of this loop, we listen to the microphone and capture a chunk of audio data. This is our frame. Each frame is a fragment of the whole sound, and we store it in our collection. As we append each data chunk to our frames list, we're compiling the raw material of our audio recording, piece by piece. Now we build the complete narrative of our captured audio, ready for the next step. Once our recording session concludes, we cease the audio stream, close it gracefully, and terminate the instance. This ensures we're leaving things tidy with no loose ends. The final act involves saving our audio. We open up a WAV file, setting it up with the right format, channel, and rate. Then, we pour our collection of audio frames into it, sealing them within. With the last frame written, we close the file, ready for replay. For playback, we'll be using a Python library called PlaySound. It's straightforward and does exactly what its name suggests. Plays sound files with minimal effort. If you haven't already, you'll need to install this library using pip. In this snippet, play is a method that takes one argument, the sound file you wish to hear. It's a direct bridge from your code to your speakers, turning data into sound. And there we have it, from capturing the sound with Python to bringing it to life through playback. Remember, the power of Python extends far beyond what we've explored today. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of Python's audio capabilities. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and let the sounds of your innovation play on.
Stay tuned for more videos on TechInFive.